I'm here with my cameraman, Zach Ultimate, and today we're searching for the Sprite limeade. Crikey. Today we're going into the forest and we're gonna find the limeade Sprite. Let's go. Today, I think we found them. The breeding grounds. Right here. It's not it. We have found their welcome home mats. Look at it. They tend to burrow underneath the ground. This is an old home. We're getting close. I can feel it. Smell that?
Yeah.
It smells like Joe.
Joe?
Joe Mama. I can't feel my legs. Alright. In there. That's where they are.
Oi!
Run.
Get back here! Hey, where do you think you're going?
The owner of the property will never find us up here. See that? Look at that. I think we found it. It might be nesting. Oh, would you look at that? Beautiful. Oh my god. I think I might
Crikey.
cry. Yeah, crikey. Crikey kangaroo.
Crikey. Crikey, mate.
Well, only thing left to do is a food review. Let's head over to our shooting location. Very secret. Called my house. God, I need to stop talking to this boy. Hi. Hope you liked the little beginning thing I did. I'm here next to a pumpkin because it's Spooktober. Spooky. So I'm going to review this for the 5th time. Thanks, Zach, cameraman. It is pop. It is pop. I'd give it a 6 out of 10.
Ah, Sprite limeade. Mediocre pop for mediocre people.
On to the outro.
Quick and simple. Bloopers. That's what's at the end of the video now. Why?
Today, I'm here with my cameraman, the Ultimate.
Beep.
Let's crack this baby open like you're dropping a baby.
That didn't make any sense.
Yeah, let's redo that. Rating scale from Mousetrap to Thomas the Tank Engine. I'd give it a Shrek. That's on the meme scale, in case you didn't know. I'm gonna cut this all out, in case you didn't know. But yeah, I'd say it's pretty good.
I'd give it a microwave.
Second of it. Okay, now onto the Coke. Did I say Coke?
You say Coke.
I'm just gonna cut that out.
Okay.
You just hit pause, stop. Tastes like shit. Cut.